In today's lesson, we will learn about what are idioms. An idiom is a phrase that has a meaning, but if you look at each word individually and try to translate it, it will make no sense at all. Idioms are like puzzles, whose meanings are different from the words that make them. For example, have ants in your pants. Now, if you look at each word individually, you will comprehend that there is someone who actually has ants in his pants. But well, that is not the case at all. Idioms are expressions whose meanings are different from the words that make them. Idioms are classified as figurative language. It's best to avoid idioms in technical or formal writing. I hope you have now understood what idioms are. In our next video, we will be telling you the meaning of the idiom to have ants in your pants, along with some other important idioms that can be used while writing. We will also be constructing sentences so that you are able to understand their usage in a better way.